If you're anything like me and on the never-ending quest to lighten your backpack, this is a great way to do it. This here is a Polycryo ground sheet. I've been using the same one for about 5 years, and just on the recent trip, it's ripped. Polycryo is pretty cheap to buy brand new, about 15 bucks a box. This is Polycryo window film. I bought this at a thrift store. I use some tape, and I'll get some duct tape. This ground sheet is fitted for 3-person MSR tent. I have 2 of them. I have the Mutha Hubba and the carbon Reflex, so I already know the dimensions. They're measured just to be safe. Doesn't have to be perfect measurements, just has to be ballpark. About 60.5. And about 84 long. So it has a combination of duct tape on the corners just for a little bit of weight, and it's just packer's tape borders the whole thing. This pack is 64 inches by 168 inches, and so I'm just going to make it 64 inches wide to make it even easier. So what it looks like it's very thin. I'm just going to cut this straight across. There's enough left over to easily make another ground sheet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take my tape and we're going to reinforce all the sides. Let's start with little pieces. Flat like that. Flip it over and fold it. There's already one side done. That's it, all 4 corners are taped. And take out the duct tape. I usually do this just to weight the corners a bit. One corner. ground sheet. That's it. My old MSR ground cloth was 250 grams. I think it was actually more, but I'm just going to say 250 grams. So now let's just check this out. 113 grams. That's a quarter of a pound. For $15 if you bought it new. I hope you can get some use out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments. You can also make a tarp with this stuff if you want as well. It's great stuff.